First car in is the best post-war car, 1967 Triumph TR4, foray by Oliver and his wife. They've owned the car for a number of years, last division, and would you believe they've just completed a 1,000-mile UK tour. The cars we're looking at today are those cars which are actually used. What we're not looking at is those cars which are tucked away and staying here. What we're looking for is good quality, good condition cars that are actually used on a regular basis. So we'll go through each one and then we'll present the medals later on. Next to the Triumph is the best motorcycle. This is interesting. This is a 1961 BSA with sidecar. The interesting feature, it's a Swallow sidecar, and if anybody remembers the SS Jaguar, Jaguar in fact took over Swallow and manufactured sports cars in the 30s. The motorcycle has been recommissioned in the last couple of years, and Mark Wins, the owner, has actually restored the sidecar himself. Super job, Mark, well done, thank you. Right, the best pre-war car, the third item in, is the 1936 LA10 Lanchester. Mike Bone, Mike's wife was with him. Owned for a number of years, it took 7 years to restore, and again used for a lot of shows. Superb bodywork and paintwork. The interior leather is the original with a very good patina. Super car. Thanks very much for bringing it. And so we're just going to present a few medals for the moment. So the pre-war Manchester, well done, thank you. While David's doing that, the last car you saw come in was nominated Best in the Show, which is a 1929 Studebaker Director. Now, if anybody saw the Bonnie and Clyde film, this is exactly the same model that was used in the Bonnie and Clyde film. Mike said if it was the actual one, you know, he'd be on a magic island somewhere. He's owned the car for 9 years. It's taken him 5 years to restore. Super condition. It's a 6-cylinder, 4-litre car. Thank you for coming. Thank you, well done. On the agricultural front, we've got quite a few winners here. We've got the best tractor and commercial vehicle. I don't know if anybody's been have a look at the tractors and stationary engine, but that was a 1919 Thornycroft flatbed lorry, and that's similar to the lorries used in the First World War for carting munitions around. 1919. So it's you know, coming up to 100 years. And last was the best stationary engine, and these are small engines used for agricultural purposes. And the winner there was the 1946 Wolsey stationary engine with a pump.
these engines were used to running 24/7, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, continuously for pumping water, and that's on display in the stationary engine stand. So I think if we can give a good round of applause, please, for our winners, which is the lovely White Triumph, the BSA sidecar motorbike, the Manchester LA10, and Mr. and Mrs. Bonnie Clyde. Thank you very much. I'd also like to thank my co-judge, Peter Burnett, and for driving me in his wonderful 1929 Lagonda, and that's worth having a look at over where the cars are. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Mike, and thank you to all the participants in the Classic. Everybody, as you go, if you can please take your rubbish with you or use the bins that are provided. That would help us enormously, because we do have a big clearing up session to now start. So this was only a small part of it. That's the end of today's arena events. Some of the stalls are still open. You can still take advantage of good prices, I'm sure, if you go around the stalls and find some of the provisions that are there. Certainly, I think the barbecue is still open. I can see that there's a bit of a queue there for